Hi, my name is Nayeli Valenzuela from team number 4 and this is workshop number 10. First, we need to open our file. It's the file that we had from workshop number 9 and we click on meshing, create mesh surface, switching surface for solid, and in that mesh we need to click OK. We select all our body and we click in automatic calculation and we change the automatic calculation for the number 20. We click on home, click on smooth shaded, and we select verify, element, boundaries, and free faces, and apply. Now we going to meshing and we click on edit element action. We change to verify element boundaries again, but we change this time the object for a TED. So we have verified TED all, apply, and we click on OK, and we can see our mesh. And we need to wait until Nastran finish their work, and we can see the results in 4 different columns. The first one is the test. The number second of the columns is the number filed. The number 3 is the worst case, and finally we had add element. So we check the results, and if everything is okay, we click on close. Now we need to select in test aspect, and we need to change the aspect ratio to a number near to 5. And we click on apply, and now we can see the different colors in our element, and this is how the stress is acting in our element. So we make this zoom and we select an action, create an object mesh, and in type solid. Now we click on that mesh parameter and we change the maximum HL to 0.5 and the global edge length to 0.1. Click OK. Select apply. OK. And we can see another mesh. So now we change the view because we want to view the lines. And we going to verify object element and apply. We can see that our element changed of color, and now we select in object test as in test aspect, and we change aspect ratio again to a number near to the number 5. And we select apply. We can see the stress again. The parts in red color or in orange or yellow are the parts with more stress. We click on apply. In test we change the aspect to all and apply again. We click OK. We can see the mesh again, and our results are changed. We verify that everything is okay, and we click on cancel. And that's everything for my part, and thank you for your attention.